The main purpose is to help the children to know a lot about the effort to put in, especially towards the mathematics.
Not only just in maths, it's for them to be able to gain the life skills that are needed to progress in life, gaining the math skills needed to excel in PSLE.
How much is the cup and how much is the water? Think for yourself right now.
They can do it and visualize math instead of just using their knowledge.
It's very interesting and fun because I get to learn more, make my maths improve. It was fun because I get to learn new things and also understand how to use it in exams.
First thing you need to do is to believe. You will need to focus. You need to learn how to bounce. And the very last one is we need to do things fast. And what I hope for all these children is to love math, love learning in the first place, put in the efforts, do the drills, do the fundamentals, and I'm sure they'll get what they want for their PSLE.